Good morning everyone. My name is Sneha Tripathi, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Juridical Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur. Today my topic is HRM. What is HRM? Human Resource Management. HRM is the strategic and effective management of people in an organization to help the business gain a competitive advantage. It focuses on recruiting, hiring, motivating, maintaining and people, developing and retaining employees to achieve both organizational and individual goals. Meaning of HRM. HRM is all about getting the right people and right candidate, helping them to their best and keeping to the employees them happy in the workplace. Next, key elements in the meaning of HRM. Recruitment, hiring the right people and right job. Next, training and development, helping employees grow. Performance management, checking how well employees are doing as well as. Compensation, giving fair salary and benefits. Employee relations, keeping good communication and solving problems to the organizations. Workplace safety and well-being, making sure employees are safe and happy workplace. Definition of HRM, Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management is the practice of managing people within the organization. It helps to the training, development, motivating and maintaining to the people workforce to achieve the organizational goals. Human Resource Management, HRM is the strategic approach to the effective management of people in an organization so that we can help the business gain a competitive advantage of the organizations to concern with the recruitment, hiring and the motivating, maintaining to the management and motivation of employees. Key points of HRM. First, recruitment, finding and hiring the right people of the job. Training and development, helping employees learn new skills and grow. Compensation and benefits, paying employees and giving them benefits like health and safety benefits. Employee relations, keeping good relationship between workers and co-workers. Nature of HRM, people centered. HRM is all about managing people at work. Continuous process, HRM is the continuous process to all time from hiring to the retirement. Goal oriented, HRM is a goal oriented process and the company reach their goals. Part of management, is it a part of management and the organization? HRM is an important part of overall business, all organizations and management. Strategic in nature, it helps in long term planning and business goals. Functions of HRM, Human Resource Management. Recruitment and selection, finding and choosing the right people for the job and right candidate for the job. Training and development, helping employees learn new skills and grow in their careers. Compensation and benefits, deciding salaries, bonus, TA and DA and other benefits like health insurance. Employee relation, keeping good relationship in solving problems between employees and the companies. Health and safety and well-being, ensuring a safe and healthy work environment for everyone. Human resource planning, planning how many pupils the company needs now and in the future. Next are qualities of an HR manager. First, good communication skills, can talk and listen clearly with employees and management. Next, leadership skills, can guide the motivate to the employees and co-workers. Problem solving ability, handles conflicts and find solution quickly. Organizational skills, managers may task and keep their running crew. Trustworthy and honest, keep information private and honest. Decision making skills, make smart and fair decisions. Importance of HRM, right people for the right job. HRM help in hiring skilled and suitable candidates. In economic development, through training and development, HRM improves employees' skills and performance. Better employee relation, HRM create a healthy environment and they are healthy smoothly run a business. Organizational growth, a strong HRM system contributes directly to long-term growth. Role of HR in the organizational success. First, human resource plays a critical role in helping a organizational achieve its grow and successfully run to a business. HR is not just hiring a people, it's about managing, planning, organizing, staffing and employees so that the organizational performs at its best. Key roles of organizational success: training and development. HR helps employees improve their skills through training programs leading to better performance. Next, work culture and environment. HR builds a healthy environment of the organization. Employee engagement. HR keeps employee motivated and satisfied, improving safety. Employees feedback system. HR gathers feedback to through our management make informed changes. Recruitment. Recruitment is the process of attaining, identifying and encouraging potential candidates to apply for a job. Organizational. It is the first step to the HRM, aims to build a pool of qualified applicants and candidates. Objectives of recruitment: attract qualified candidates, bring in individual with the right skill, a right person, experience and qualified persons to the job, create a talent pool, build a database of potential applicants of current and future jobs to the opening, meet organizational needs, ensure the right number of the people to the coming to the organization, reduce hiring time and cost, streamline the process in fill vacancies quick and effective, improve organizational performance, bring in high quality talent and the boost productivity and innovation. Types of recruitment: first, internal recruitment, next, hiring for within the organizational, promotion and transfer. External recruitment: first, job portal, social media, campus, walk-in, recruitment agencies. Selection is the process of HRM of choosing the most suitable candidate for the job who will attend recruitment. It aims to identifying and qualifying and hire the best fit person for a job role. Objectives of selection: first, choose the right candidate, pick someone who matches the job requirement and organizational culture, ensure job fit, selection individuals who are both capable and motivated to perform well, reduce hiring risk, minimize the changes of hiring unsuitable or underqualified individuals, enhance performance and productivity. The right selection leads to their performance and less turnover. Steps in the selection process: first, screening of applicants, shortlisted candidates who meet the basic criteria, primary interview, quick interaction to session, aptitude and interest. Test and assessment could be written test, aptitude test, personality test, etc. Final interview, in-depth assessment by HR and departmental heads. Background, verify past employment, education and character reference. Medical examination, ensure the candidate is physically fit for the job. Job offer, the selected candidate is formally offered the position. Recruitment versus selection. Recruitment is the first process of HRM, process of attracting candidates for a job. Next, to create a large pool qualified applicants, positive in nature, encourage more people to apply. Quantity, getting many candidates. Next, selection. Selection is the second process of HRM, process of choosing of best candidates for job to find the most suitable candidates for the job. Negative selection is the negative process, filters out unsuitable applicants. Quantity, finding the best fit, screening, testing, interviewing and final selection for the selection. Thank you.